Naruam Mopinagambe, my younger brother Ninong Ratan, the president of the first ever Adi Galo Mopin celebration on the historic day of this day, this year, this month. It would be dear in the annals of the history of the Adian Galos, and it's a privilege to stand here before you all on this very auspicious day. The secretary and the chairman organizing committee are doing Mr. Justice Arthur Sir, Manyata Sir, the President Galo Welfare Society, Padu Sir, the President GWS Capital Unit, Itanagar region, my big brother Mingtapang Kopak, the ABK President ICR Unit, the General Secretary Kamal Naro, and the senior advocates and some of the friends, the very familiar friends that I have been growing up with, my Mr. Tagum Jamo, my Chotabhai Marto Kato, Chotabhai Kamdu. It's a privilege standing here before you all, and I tell you a story. In a 1950 earthquake, after the 1950 earthquake, a grandfather of mine, I wasn't born that time, but my father is still here who was born at that time. My grandfather from Kamba, Pujom, Abo Pujom Pakam, who is not here anymore on this earth, my Pujom Pakam after the earthquake felt that in the area of the Adis, dominated by the Adis in the Upper Siang region, there are villages called Karko and Komkar. My family members are there. Are they still, some of them are still alive, or some of them might have been dead, or whatever might have happened to them. My grandfather from Pakam started on foot, reached Karko village. On that very night, my father, who is still alive, Jomlong Pangkam, was born. Abo Pujom came from Pakam, West Siang district, to see about the welfare of our family members, and my father was born that night. Abo Pujom said, I have arrived today, a son is born to my Nyama. We have to keep his name according to Galo tradition after my name. So Abo Pujom's name was given to my father Jomlong Pangkam, who is very much still alive today at Jangil. That is the story of the Adis and the Galos. I am an Adi given by the Britishers, the name Adi. I am from Upper Siang district, Komka village. But my bloodline, my blood ties, my DNA is the exact the same with my Lobam brothers in West Siang district, you say, or in the Galo areas. We are Lobams. I am a Lobam standing here amidst you all tonight, but I am classified as an Adi. This is just a classification given to me, to the Galo brethren. There is no Galo father or forefather to say. There is no Adi father. There is no name of any Adi father or Adi forefather. This has been given to us by some outsiders who have come, and then they have discovered us kind of. Whatever be today, we are Galos and Adis, but blood by the DNA, we are one. And then I am being told that the evidence is still there in my village. 1972 was the first Lobam conference, the first Lobam meeting in my village, at Komkar village, Upper Siang district. Just imagine. So, due to some political reasons in the 1990s, maybe in 2000, we were divided from Adi, we bifurcated to Galo, Adi, and today the whole state knows us as Adis or Galos, which is superficial, I should say. But I take pride today, whatever be, we have been accepted that way, we have come so, we have evolved, I say we have evolved, still evolving. But see the European countries, the European nation have come together as one. The whole world is trying to come together as one in terms of economy, in terms of the developments, and then in Arunachal Pradesh also a good milestone set by the Nishi brethren. They have incorporated the hill mirrors back to Nishish, and they are inviting the Tagins to come back to the Nishi fold. And why do we Galos and the Adis stay as brothers separated just politically by blood? We are not separated. So I'm very proud to say that there is no Galo or there is no Adi, just a classification given to us by some outsider forces or by some vested interest politicians of our community. That's all I say very sadly. Whatever be, tonight is history. Tonight is a very, very happy occasion. Mopin being the most, I shouldn't say the only, Mopin according to me is the most vibrant festival of Arunachal Pradesh. You see, everyone see the white, the color, the white itself depicts what is Mopin. Everyone feels at peace, everyone feels very happy, everyone feels very elated. Whenever you take the name of Mopin, it signifies happiness, it signifies prosperity, it signifies good health. Because people with sick minds, they won't come to any festival. So any festival in Arunachal Pradesh signifies prosperity, happiness, and then good health. See, we as Adis celebrate Etor. Likewise, while we are sowing the seeds, after Etor, when the saplings come up for replanting, we celebrate Solung. Likewise, in your community, in my community, the Galo community, Mopin is being celebrated just to seek the blessings of the Mother Nature, Mother Earth, whom in Adi we call Kinanane, to bless our community with surplus food production, with peace and health. And so, in the tradition of the Mopin and Solung, with all the appreciation to the committee out here tonight, giving me this privilege to stand before you all, I wish everyone good health, good success in whatever you plant this season, whatever you plant this year, whatever you plant business, you plant good health, you plant crops, you plant whatever you plant. May you all be successful from this Mopin to eternity. And thank you once again for giving the Adi Wanakabang a privilege to stand before you all. I am Vijay Taram, the General Secretary of Adi Wanakabang here before you all. I thank the committee once again so much. Thank you. Bless you all. May Anna Doni Pola bless you all.
Thank you, Vijay. Now, on the request